Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to create WhatsApp channel. So let's begin the video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So first of all, we will open our WhatsApp application. So here are the chats and here are the updates. So what you need to do is you will simply scroll down, and at the front of the channel there is a plus sign. You will simply tap on plus sign. So here is the option of create channel. You will simply tap on create channel. So here you will continue. Here you will write the name of your channel, like we will write Syed Khan. So here you can write like a description of your channel, and then you will tap on create channel. And you can also add the picture of your channel like this. So here you will tap on create channel. So the channel has been created. So you can share the channel link to your people, or you can also share the WhatsApp status for the followers you gain. So at the top there are some settings, channel info. Here are public channel. So this is the public channel. So the channel has been created. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.